The locking pads stop the vise from rotating on its base when the lock handles are engaged. They are made of cast iron and have teeth on them that engage with the teeth on the underside of the base to lock the vise in place. Over time, the teeth on the pads will wear, which can prevent the vise from locking firmly. When this occurs, you will want to also inspect the teeth on the base for similar wear. Replacing the locking pads is a repair that you can do yourself, and I'm going to show you how. I'll begin by removing the two locking handles and separating the top half of the vise from the base. Now I can install the new locking pads. Now I can reassemble the two halves of the vise. And to do this, I'm going to turn the vise upside down. First, I'll align the base with the shoulder on the vise. Next, the locking pad and bolt assemblies. And again, the teeth should mesh with the teeth on the base. And now I'll begin to reinstall the locking handles. Once the handles are tight, go ahead and flip the vise back over.